How to not let phone contacts find you on your Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First, I will launch Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Proceed by tapping profile or Bitmoji icon at top left corner of your screen. Now tap on gear icon at top right corner of your screen once the page gets loaded. Once you access setting page, you have to scroll to the bottom of your screen. Now locate the option of contact syncing under account actions. Tap on it, and here you need to tap see contacts shared with Snapchat. And now you need to come back to the same page and tap remove sync contacts from Snapchat and tap on confirm button. And once you have done that, you need to proceed by tapping contact me under privacy controls. So there are basically two options, friends and contacts. You simply need to check mark friends, and after that your contacts won't be able to find you on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.